All right, guys, Cooter back here. I said I would kind of give you a little final update on Bluebell. This here is my wife's JK. So I've got some more stuff to do on it this winter. We're going to put on some new front bumpers. Probably change these tires. I've got some 35s to go on it. But for now, the biggest thing I wanted to update you guys on, and I just got back from a road test. Cooter Jr. and I installed this little guy right here. A Z Automotive Taser. This is the JK Blaster. This is the one that they make for the JKs, 07 to 18. They have another one that I've used previously for the JLs. I got to tell you, one thing I did not consider when I did these gears, and don't ask me why I didn't think of it, when I changed the 456 gears in this thing, it threw the computer all into a tailspin. It wouldn't shift, wouldn't come out of second gear. Check engine light was on. Transmission was not happy. So I went on, I needed this quick, so I actually went on Amazon. It was like 180 bucks. It showed up today. It literally took 5 minutes. Download the app, scan the little code there, takes you to the direction page. Plug this sucker in. I was quite impressed. It's an electronic gizmo, but I'll tell you what, it corrected the speedometer. We just checked it with a GPS. I've got it up to 55 miles an hour. The thing shifts beautifully. Shifts nice and smooth like it did from the factory before the gear swap. So this one went from 321s to 456 gears. We're going to put a few miles on it, 400 or 500 miles. I'll get it back up on the lift. Just double check everything. But after driving it short term, everything's good. It's nice and quiet. Big thanks to the guys down at East Coast Gear Supply for setting me up with this. Got the e-locker in the back. You saw the videos. I would call this a wrap-up, but there'll be more to follow over the winter. Eventually, I'll put a switch pad or something in it, and I'll get the rear locker wired up. But anyway, for now, couldn't be happier. Wasn't expecting to spend 180 bucks just before Christmas. One note to the that I wish I just knew this, and I should have thought about it. But anybody that's buying gears or re-gearing their JKs, JLs, just remember, you're going to need some kind of a programmer. This one seems to be the top of the line for this sort of thing. Very easy to use. It's all app-based, but I'm happy with it. I would recommend it to anybody else out there. Go right online, Z Automotive. Get yourself one of these. When you buy your gears, you'll thank yourself. Maybe you'll thank me. But just make sure you get one. Otherwise, you're going to be in the same boat I was for a couple days, driving your freshly re-geared rig stuck in second gear. All right, and that's it for now. Cooter out.